Okay everybody, it's Albert Lebel once again, and I got a challenge lock already locked down in the vise. I put unknown and I just put the date right here because there's no other identifiers basically on the lock or the key, but it is by Bobby Keyz. We get that much off the key tag. Like I said, there's just basically just the date and his name on there. So, but there's the bidding on the key, and the lock does work as you would expect from Bobby Keyz. And I'm going to jump right into this because I just actually had two fails in a row trying to get this thing on camera. It's like trying to capture Bigfoot or something running through your backyard. I don't know. But anyhoodles, let's get right into it. I'm going to go, I'm going to drop my little dude in the bottom here, my little shotgun. I'm going to use top of the keyway, and I'm going to go counterclockwise, or at least try. Like I said, I have picked it, but I just had two failed attempts trying to get it on camera. And this isn't the only one. I've got another lock. I think it's Jake 1973. His lock. I cannot get the thing on camera to save my life. Alright, little baby click there off of 3, 4. Okay, so see, we got a false set. That's easy to get to, the false set, but it's getting past it that I found is a real trick. And I don't know why. One. More of a turn there. Got some counter on 2. Let's see, I don't know. I don't know if those are good. I don't know if those are wide. They may be some kind of traps because I did that before and I still got whooped. I'm not sure where I'm screwing up at. Let me try to give it the old shaky breaky here and see what wants to okay, that was okay, a little bit more. I think they're off of 2. Usually you give them that little vibration like that and something will, okay, I think this is, wait a minute, okay, that was, I think, 6. Now I've got nothing again. I'm telling you, man, this thing is a trip. It feels like 3 dropped. I don't know what's going on. 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to try this one. I think it's 3. One, 3, 5. Yep. I keep getting stuck in some kind of trap, man, and I don't know where it is. See if I can shake it out. One again. I don't know if it's a T-pin somewhere. I really don't know. 5. Got some mad counter somewhere over here. 1. That was, or 2 again, I think. This thing's just toying with my mind. I kid you not. Oh. Where are you at, you little sucker, you? Okay, little. Oh, there we go. I'll be freaking damned. Okay, good. Golly, Miss Molly. Badass. Badass. Bobby Keyz. Well done, sir. Well done. Let me get my toothpick thing out of the bottom, my shotgun. Badass. Okay. Don't mess it up, Al. Go wide. Get it out of the vise. Bada boom, bada bing. That was freaking wicked, man. I'm telling you, I just had, right before this, I had 2 in a row failed attempts trying to get it on camera. Kind of chaps my hide when that happens. Let's go with this one right here. Let's see where we at. That good? We're good. Alright, so bada boom, bada bing. Fair and square. We do got the key, so I can lock it back up. Just one screw on the back. Looks like a Phillips head. Oh man, yeah. I don't know. I have a bad, not real good at guessing pins, but I'm gonna go ahead and say maybe some kind of T-pin. That's what it felt like. It's just a wild guess, like I said. Alright. I will try to get a shimmy shim in there. Because like I said, it did feel T-pinish or something. Something funky. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's not wanting to go in there. Trying to get it to slide around, and it won't even do that. Oh boy. Okay. We're going to go for the gusto here. Alright. 6-pinner. Fair to say they all needed picking. Let's get them laid out and see what we got. 2 and a 3. Yeah, it looks like at least one of the key pin looks like T-pin. A T-pin key pin. And number 6. Alright, let me get some specs on here. Pokey. There we go. Alright, so on the core, threading in 1, 2, and 6, and it looks like 3, 4, and 5 are standard. Let's see if we can get that. Whoops. Nice. Bada boom, bada bang. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay. The shim out of there. And tweezers. Where'd they go? Here we go. Alright. Well, it looks like some kind of spool type combobulation. Yeah. Steel spring, it looks like. Ooh, number 2 is a 2-piece. Yep, got a the outer part is a spool. Excuse me. And the inner part, a pin, and I'm guessing, yep, there's a wafer. Well played. Well played. I will keep that separated like so. Little spring. I almost thought that was doubled up. It's a single spring. Okay, that was 2. Moving on. See if that's a single piece. Careful. Yep, that's a 1 piece. Wow. Almost looks like a yo-yo in the middle. That one looks copper spring. That was 3, so we're going for 4. Wow. Oh, hella deep spool. Let me hold it up. Yeah, buddy. I'll tell you, man, this thing really, really was a trip to pick. Little springy dingy. That was 4, so we're going for 5. Let me try and go. I hate doing this with a follower like this, but at least it's not hollow. Careful. Alright. Yep. What did I say? It's short, but it's a T-pin. That was, okay, that's 6 because I'm going from the back now, so 6, and now we need 5. And 5 is, looks like another spoolie combobulation. Beautiful. Just freaking beautiful. Alright, let's see if we got anything upstairs. I do not feel nothing in the body of the lock, or the Bible as it's called, or whatever. The body, the top. Okay, let's put this key like so, I guess. Thing's all tweaked out. Ah. Okay. Alrighty, bada boom, bada bing. Let me bring the camera down flat, as flat as I can. Alrighty. Again, I'm sorry, that was, like I said, it didn't have a name or a number, just the date, 1117 by Bobby Keyz. Now we look at some pins, huh? Key pin, we got this, I call it spool on the top of key pin number 1. Number 2 is multi-serrated. 3 is like a coned T-pin, if I had to really name it. 4 spool with a serration right here. 5 standard. 6 serrations and a spool. Drivers, spool with multi, I don't know, maybe like a layered spool. It's hard to name these things, y'all. I guess you know. 2 was this, I guess you can call it a 3-piece, really. Although this wafer really just pushes that pin down, so this can float on that shaft. But so we can call it a 3-piece with a spool sleeve. 3 is this cool looking. I said it looked like a yo-yo in the middle, doesn't it? Kind of like a yo-yo with a spool on each end. And then, where are we at? 3. 4 is a spool, nice long deep one. 5 is a double spool. And then 6, like I said, I knew there was some kind of T-pin combobulation in there. And I think this one acted the same way. I'm sure this is longer than that, so it probably stuck through. And then the springs look like they're, yeah, it looks like steel, steel, copper, steel, copper, steel, if I got it right. Alright, awesome, y'all. Thank you so much, Bobby Keyz, for pinning this up. And thank you all so much for tuning in. And hit the like button if you like it. I really do appreciate the thumbs up and all your comments. It really means a lot. So that'll do her. Big Al, signing out.